Our ultimate purpose in life is to seek the pleasure of Allah. The key to success in this world and the hereafter is the correct understanding of the Qur'an. Knowledge is the light that illuminates our path to righteousness. Patience is a virtue that strengthens us during times of hardship. True contentment lies in embracing the will of Allah, even when life seems tough. Every character flaw we possess is an obstacle to our spiritual growth. Sincerity is the foundation of our deeds. Without it, our actions are meaningless. Our success lies in following the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, with love and dedication. Through constant self-reflection, we can strive to become better versions of ourselves. In the face of trials, turn to Allah, for He alone can provide solace and guidance. The key to success lies in accepting your shortcomings and working towards self-improvement. Let your actions speak louder than your words. Your character defines who you truly are. Knowledge is not merely acquired. It is to be implemented in our lives to bring about positive change. Never compromise on your principles, even if the whole world is against you. True success stems from purifying our intentions and seeking the pleasure of Allah. Patience is a virtue. It helps us navigate through the trials and tribulations of life. Seek knowledge relentlessly. It is the light that illuminates the path of righteousness. Learn from your mistakes and strive to become a better version of yourself every day. Pray as if everything depends on Allah and work as if everything depends on you. Remember, the difficulties you face in life are opportunities for growth and self-discovery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and stay blessed for good.